Hello you lovely people, you're watching Filter Press UK, professional exterior cleaning and restoration services. For those of you that do not know who we are already, we provide the best in professional roof cleaning, professional stone cleaning, brick cleaning, patio cleaning and many other types of professional exterior cleaning services, including what we're here to do today, professional exterior paint removal. You can find all of our details and contact information on our website www.filterpressure.uk. So today we're in the South England, just outside of Brighton. We was here a couple of weeks ago and we've done this small test patch, removing the paint from the red brick. We've done this using our Therma-Tech cleaning system alongside chemical paint softeners. For those of you that don't know how the Therma-Tech works, it takes cold water from an outside tap, runs it through its boiler and heats it up to 150 degrees. This is the perfect machine for removing flexible coatings from exterior brickwork. The main problem to occur when painting exterior brickwork when using modern flexible coatings is damp issues due to the brick not being able to breathe. Modern coatings trap moisture behind the paint, which eventually will come onto the inside of your property, causing penetrating damp and the deterioration of bricks and other surfaces. So it is vital that these type of coatings are removed from brick as soon as possible to prevent any type of damage to your property. So the first step of our paint removal is applying the paint softener with a stiff brush to the brickwork before we steam clean the surface. If you're thinking of doing any type of chemical clean at home, just make sure you're always wearing the correct PPE at all times, including boots, gloves, ventilated face masks and goggles. So our first application has gone on and we've let it dwell for around 35 minutes. As you can see, the paint is starting to bubble and fall off. So now time for the main part, the steam cleaning using the Therma-Tech. We've already heated the water up to 150 degrees, so we're not going to bore you with the small parts. We're going to turn it on and get straight into business. So my lovely people, as you can see, we applied one layer of paint softener and then a delicate steam clean, removing most of the paint. We still have some smears in the brick. As you can see, these white smears, this is paint that's been absorbed into the brick. So what we do, we're going to put one more coat on this brickwork, do exactly the same process, and this should fully restore the brick back to its original colour. So there you have it, 2 applications and 95% of all exterior paint removed from this section. There's the rest of the property. I'm going to crack right on and show the end results. Feel the Press UK, providing the very best in all types of exterior cleaning services. Visit our website www.feelthepressure.uk or contact us direct on 07494 648 181.